In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment on Coinbase Wallet. Whether you're sending cryptocurrency to a friend, paying for a service, or perhaps just exploring the world of digital assets, making a payment with Coinbase Wallet is straightforward once you know how. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you have the app open, you'll need to choose the specific token you wish to send. For instance, this could be Ethereum or Bitcoin or even a stablecoin like USDT. Selecting the right token is crucial because each type has its unique address and network characteristics. After you've selected your token, it's time to tap on Send. You will be prompted to input the amount you want to send, which can be the cryptocurrency amount or its fiat equivalent if that's more comprehensible for you. If you're uncertain about the current rates, it might be a good idea to double check the exchange site before proceeding to ensure accuracy. Now, you'll either paste or scan the recipient's wallet address. This step is vital. Wallet addresses are long and unique, and even a small mistake can lead to a failed transaction, or worse, sending your funds to a wrong address. If you're scanning the QR code, ensure it is clear and complete for an error-free read. Once the address is in, it's crucial to review all the details. This includes the recipient's wallet address, the amount you're sending, and the network or gas fees involved. Gas fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency's network conditions at that moment, so take a moment to consider this as you finalize your send. After you've confirmed the details, it's time to authorize the payment. This is done either with your selected PIN or through biometric verification like fingerprint or face recognition. This step ensures that your transaction is secure and verified by you alone, shielding you against unauthorized transfers. And there you have it, the steps to making a payment on Coinbase Wallet. By following these simple instructions, you can manage your digital assets with confidence and ease. Remember, always ensure that you're using secure networks to protect your financial information when dealing with cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in and happy transacting.